Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2026 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. Commandingly positioned at the apex of hyper-exotic engineering, this ultra-exclusive masterpiece commands an estimated global price tag of $4.5 million, an investment that secures not just a vehicle, but an absolute manifestation of automotive dominance. The exterior design is a breathtaking canvas of dramatic angles and aggressive contours, here featuring a striking, custom-inspired matte primary palette that fuses a deep royal blue body with intense crimson accents and vivid yellow aerodynamic fins, shattering traditional hypercar design conventions to create something genuinely unforgettable. Every square inch of its monocoque body has been sculpted by the wind, boasting advanced carbon fiber active aerodynamics, massive side air intakes, and an intricate front splitter system that generates immense downforce. Pinning this roadster to the tarmac with surgical precision, cross the threshold into the cockpit, and you are instantly enveloped in unparalleled interior luxury where masterfully stitched Alcantara and premium lightweight carbon composites harmonize perfectly. The carbon-back sport seats offer an exceptional blend of intense racing support and long-distance seating comfort, contouring seamlessly to the driver's body to mitigate fatigue during high-speed continental touring. The dashboard layout is a masterclass in modern, ergonomic design, placing a high-definition, jet fighter-inspired digital instrument cluster directly in your line of sight. At the heart of the center console sits a state-of-the-art vertical infotainment system featuring advanced telemetry, seamless global satellite navigation, smartphone integration, and crisp haptic controls that respond instantly to the slightest touch. Beneath this vibrant, multicolored skin lies the beating heart of a modern legend, a monstrous, naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine supplemented by a cutting-edge hybrid electric system, delivering a mind-bending combined output of 850 horsepower. The acceleration feel is nothing short of telepathic. Drop your foot, and the instantaneous electric torque launches you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.7 seconds, accompanied by an intoxicating, high RPM mechanical symphony that echoes across the valleys of Europe and the wide highways of America. Despite this raw, unbridled speed, the driving comfort remains exceptionally refined thanks to an intelligent magnetorheological suspension system that instantly smooths out imperfections on cracked city streets while tightening up for razor-sharp handling on demanding coastal switchbacks. Lamborghini has also equipped this multi-million-dollar titan with sophisticated safety features, integrating advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, forward collision warnings, and an intelligent torque vectoring stability framework that ensures absolute control without ever diluting the visceral driving dynamics. Embracing modern efficiency paradigms, the specialized hybrid architecture offers a modest but practical electric-only range of approximately 20 miles for silent, zero-emission urban cruising, optimizing fuel efficiency during stop-and-go city travel before the roaring V12 reclaims its throne on open stretches. Whether you are navigating the tightly packed, neon-lit city streets of Tokyo, conquering the unrestricted straits of the German Autobahn, or embarking on a scenic, long-distance travel route along the Pacific Coast Highway, the overall driving experience is a transcendent journey of sensory overload and mechanical perfection. It is a vehicle that transcends geography, turning every single mile of international asphalt into your own private racetrack, ensuring that the 2026 Centenario Roadster remains forever etched in history as the ultimate expression of open-top automotive performance.